Industrial oils are the foundation for the operation of metal cutting machines, presses, gearboxes, and hydraulic systems. They lubricate, cool, remove wear products, and protect metal from corrosion. But for the system to operate reliably, the oil must meet very strict standards, including minimal moisture content according to ISO 4406 and NDS 1638. Even a small amount of moisture can turn into costly downtime. That's why companies today are looking not for a temporary fix, but for a technology that truly eliminates the moisture problem. The dissolved moisture content in new oil should not exceed 0.05% or 0.01%. That's approximately up to 100 ppm. Beyond this threshold, degradation begins. At the level of 300 to 500 ppm, emulsions already form, additives break down, and metal begins to corrode. When the indicator reaches 1000 ppm, that's an emergency condition. The system loses its protective properties. That's why we have developed a comprehensive solution system that covers all humidity levels. Our goal is not just to dry the oil, but to restore its operational properties under any conditions.
When the moisture content does not exceed 100 ppm, we use CMMLT thermal vacuum treatment units. Their principle is simple and highly effective. The oil is heated in a vacuum. The boiling point of water drops sharply and it evaporates without overheating the product itself. The oil is fed into a vacuum chamber, flows down through packing materials, releases moisture as vapor, and then undergoes filtration to the required fineness. CMMLT units can reduce moisture levels down to 10 ppm. This is the standard that allows a company to restore oil to normal without replacing large volumes. But when the moisture content is higher, over 100 ppm, vacuum systems lose their effectiveness. In such cases, the zeolite units ZP130 and ZP260 work best. Zeolite is a microporous material that literally draws water into its structure, providing deep dehydration without heating. The cartridges of the units are easy to replace or can be quickly regenerated using the BARZ unit. They are easy to use both in the field and in the workshop. This is a universal solution for emergency situations. This is the optimal technology for preliminary drying before final vacuum treatment.
In cases of emergency water ingress or massive water contamination of oil, when its content is very high, a completely different approach is required. Here, we use CMMCF units with coalescent filters. When oil passes through coalescent filters, microdroplets of water merge into larger ones, which are easily separated and collected in the settling tank. This technology makes it possible to save oil even when other methods simply do not work. And this is much more cost-effective than disposing of large volumes of lubricant.
Timely dehydration is not just a matter of quality, it's a matter of production stability. Downtime costs several times more than timely oil treatment. Our solutions allow enterprises to avoid replacing large volumes of oil, reduce costs, and protect equipment from premature wear. That is why GlobeCore systems are used today in all industries, from mechanical engineering to energy. We do not sell a one-size-fits-all solution. We select the technology based on the exact moisture level, the type of oil, and the operating conditions of the enterprise. For some, this will be the compact CMMLT unit, for others, the mobile zeolite ZP units, and for others still, the CMMCF units as the first stage of restoring oils with extremely high moisture content. This approach allows clients to achieve the best results without unnecessary expenses or overpaying. We work with enterprises in over 100 countries, and almost everywhere the moisture problem repeats itself. It's important not just to remove the water, but to do it in a technologically correct way so that the oil fully regains its properties. Proper dehydration extends the oil's lifespan, reduces the risk of accidents, and increases the overall reliability of the equipment. And if you've ever encountered a moisture problem, you know exactly how expensive a wrong solution can be. We invite you to learn more about industrial oil dehydration equipment on our website, www.globecore.com, and to contact our technical specialists to find the optimal solution tailored to your specific needs.